So it's melting faster because I turned the eye up to high. So the more heat that's being added, the faster it melts. Oh, y'all can't see that. Sorry, I don't know how to turn. I don't think you can turn your camera around during a video, which is weird, but it's besides the point. So I turned my eye up to high, and now my ice is melting. So just wait. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming from it, but that is actually water turning into its gas form. So, and like, yeah, that's water basically turning into gas. So now you can see all three states at once. Solid is right here, that's the solid part. And then, of course, the liquid, and then now the gas right here. So, yeah, hopefully it'll, I don't know, hopefully you can see more later. I kind of want y'all to be able to see like the, oh yeah, solid liquid gas. Oh, that's nasty. It's like water particles. But yeah, so water vapor is, okay, so water vapor is more heat being added to the liquid form, which already has heat to it, which is why it's liquid. But the more heat you add, the hotter it gets, and it starts to, I guess you could see it evaporating. Because if I was to leave this on for a while, it'll boil, the ice will fully melt, it'll boil, and all the water will boil out, and it'll be a lot of smoke because of evaporation. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. It's actually like, as I'm looking in it, it's getting ready to start to boil a little bit. Once this last chunk of ice melts and goes back to its natural state. This is really bad camera quality. Okay, so I don't know if you can see. It's like, probably not. But like little bubbles right there. Starting to, I don't know if you saw that. Probably not. I'll wait till it gets more into it. But it's getting hotter and hotter. So last time you just saw like a little bit of steam, but this time it's a lot of water vapor. Which, if I was to fill this whole room up with water and like hot water and like just let it, steam up for a long time, then that'll be humidity in the air. But if you take a hot shower with the door closed, you'll feel the humidity from all the steam in the air, and then you open it, you'll see all the water That's water vapor. That's water in the gas tank. When you open the door and all the smoke goes out, that's water. So now it's starting to boil, which means the water is hot. It's not hot, but it's starting to boil. Okay, so this is kind of steaming up my phone. Okay, so there you go. The water is now boiling because the heat from the eye went up through the pots, and now because it's already okay, so it has enough heat to make it into a liquid form, but now it's an excessive amount of heat. Like it's an overbearing amount of heat. The water has to do something, so it turns into gas, and there you have water vapor coming from solid liquid gas. So I don't know if you can really see the water boiling. So, yeah. And then and it's not really hot steam, kind of. Oh, and if you put, hold on. If you put your hand over the gas and then move it and rub it, that's humidity. Like that's like what humidity feels like when you come out the shower. So that is my experiment.